So, hi, my name is Melody Bonareri. Yeah, I have a background in computer science. I did this from Catholic University of Eastern Africa. Yeah, so after finishing school, I went to an industry in manufacturing. So, I was working in a warehouse. I was dealing a lot with data entry and data analysis. So, yeah, that's my background. So having a background in computer science and also interacting a lot with data from data entry, data analysis, I was really interested in data and I wanted to do more than just data entry. So that's why I got really interested in data analysis. So I started searching for a way that I can do data analysis and schools that enabled me to do this. So from the background that I had and with the resources that I had, I searched and I found Zindua. So when I really wanted to get into data science, some of the challenges that I faced was one of them was the skills. So when I was trying to apply for most of these roles, I was finding out that my skills levels weren't that high. So that's something that I really wanted to focus on. And like you really had to have like a lot of projects. So coming into Zindua, I actually was able to advance my skills and also for the projects, my projects, I was able to do a lot of projects coming into Zindua. Okay, so from the first day I entered Zindua, from the onboarding, let me say it was just short of amazing. I liked the reception, how we were introduced to the school and the programs they got to offer. So going into the classes are really so personalized. Like you get a lot of attention from the mentor. Yeah, so that's one thing. And also, like the level of the way they insist on the projects, considering that you really need this a lot when you get into the market in the job field. Yeah, so the way they really specialize and insist on having a lot of projects so that you get to build up on your CV and also on your portfolio. So that's one thing. And also presenting the capstone projects, like it enabled me a lot to work on and build on my confidence level. So that's one thing I've really loved about Zindua. So one of my favorite moments about the community in Zindua is the culture. So the culture, it's just on another level. I've never been in an environment where you don't interact with the other students, just like students. It's very personalized and the friendship level, like get to work a lot in groups. It becomes so intimate. Yeah, it's just on another level. Okay, so describing Zindua in just one word, I really can't find one word, but I'd say it's very personalized. So, personalization.